Hey everybody, today we are going to the farm at Walnut Creek. We're going to take a wagon ride and look at all the different animals. We're going to go to the non-electric house and look through that. We're going to look at some canned goods that they've got in the basement that are very interesting. We're going to look at the Dottie house, and there's just so many things to do here at the farm in Walnut Creek. So let's go ahead and get started. As you start your ride along the path here, we had an Amish driver that was taking us through with a pair of horses, and you get up close with all of the animals. I mean, they come right up to the wagon, you feed them, you can dump the food in their mouth with your hand. They got their tongues everywhere. It's fantastic. It's a lot of fun. The kids really love it, and there's just so many animals. I think there's over 500 animals here. When you go through the park, you'll see a lot of the big animals. I mean, they really come up. Look at the horns on the sides of that. That's a Watusi. So that is really neat. So I'm going to sit back and let you guys enjoy the wagon ride here. We'll pick it back up. We're going to go to the house and look at that. Get a cookie. Check out the canning and everything like that. So we'll be right back.
Here, just put it in with your hand.
This poor guy down here, he wants some.
Oh, it's all over the ground down there, honey. Well, that's probably why.
That's empty. He keeps opening up his mouth.
Hey, Pete. Took the detour. Okay.
So on the wagon ride, the driver will tell you a lot of different things about all the different animals, just different facts, fun facts, and things of interest. Our driver was telling us about the different babies that were being born this spring, and about the water buffalo and the Watusi, and just Pete the parrot and everything. So it was very, very interesting. So it's well worth taking the wagon out through there.
Okay. Feed me.
Either take your car through to see the animals, or you can jump on the wagon and ride through with the fella or the lady that will explain a lot of the animals to you. They do come right up to the wagon, so you can reach out and pet them and feed them and everything. So that is really neat. And you also get a bucket of feed with every 2 people on the wagon, so you can feed them all the way through, and it lasted all the way through. With the car, same tour, same experience. You get to see the animals and everything. Both choices give you general admission and includes a drive-through, the petting zoo, the playgrounds, the picnic area, and the farmhouse tours. And with the car, you can buy a bucket of feed, but it's an additional fee. So it's really, I really suggest taking the wagon ride, because it's just really neat being that close to those big animals.
I saw it before I hopped on. Yeah, somebody else mentioned it. Is that right? Yeah. Do they let them walk along with the mom then after they get a little bit older? Or just on the wagons? Just kind of get used to them? No. I thought maybe they let them walk alongside. Yeah. Got an itch. Hey, buddy. She's got the food back here. Guide him a little. They're coming, honey.
Oh, wow.
Giraffes.
Oh.
Those pot-bellied pagans and all them. Couple of them.
This one's a movie star, honey. Yeah. Um,
There's some shoes in there.
is this called a wedding ring pattern?
Here's all the food that they can from the garden that they grow, and then they can it, and then throughout the summer this is what they use to feed the employees for lunch. Thank you for watching and staying with me, and really appreciate that. I hope you enjoy these videos. Watch for the next video coming out, Yoder's Amish Home, which is an authentic Amish house and a dotty house, a farm and barn and buggy ride and gift shop and bakery and just lots of different things to do there. So that's coming up next. But yeah, thank you for watching and staying with me, and we really appreciate it. I really like bringing these videos to you, and I hope you enjoy them too. Have a great day. Welcome to HCO and more. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish Country. Be sure to like and subscribe.